Gentlemen, what's up, y'all? It's your brother Mighty Prophet 144K back again with another video as usual, giving y'all good content, man. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe to the channel, man. Really make sure you hit the like button so my videos be notified. Other people's recommended videos so they can like and subscribe too, man. Make sure y'all make sure you hit that notification bell. Make sure y'all hit all on the notification bell so y'all can be notified every time I post my videos, man. Make sure y'all go back and watch my old videos, man. But let's get into the video, man. Right now we're gonna do the top 5 why you should buy a Dodge Charger 2011 and up, 2006 and up Charger. Let's get into the video, man. First thing, as y'all know, is the body style. Body style, body style, body style. This is the best, 2006 model has the best body style. But I'll say this is my favorite because of the LED tail lamp. LED tail lamp. Can't beat that. I like the LED tail lamp. That's the reason I bought it. Car's a little dirty right now. It's supposed to rain in a few days, so I'm gonna wash it. Interiors around, good body style. You got the front. You got the front hood, which is really muscular. That thing is bad, man. You can't beat that, man. From the 2015 and up, the hood is like dented in a little bit. It looks weak. It doesn't look like this. Second thing is under the hood. Got that V6, that 3.6 liter V6, saving that gas mileage, man. You don't have the V8 burning the gas. But when you get a V8, you can mod it to where you get stock V6 gas mileage. So not too big of a deal. But you get that good gas mileage with this thing, man. The third thing is the interior. Nice, as y'all see. As y'all know, I painted my interior red. Interior is nice. You got the carbon fiber dash bezel. That's real carbon fiber. And then you got the Charger label right there. Nice vents. And as y'all know, the metric kit with the JVC stereo. This is how the back look. Interior really roomy, especially if you have a family. Really roomy, really non-expensive car for the price. A really good price for the car. The fourth thing is actually the audio. I mean, you got the glass. This glass is double-sided. I don't want to roll the window down, but this glass is double-sided, so you got soundproof pretty much. So it's a piece of glass on this side, it's a laminated piece in the middle, and then there's another piece of glass on the outside that keeps the audio really clear. And then, as y'all know, I got Boss Audio, so that's why I really love it. It sounds really good in here. It sounds real good in here. As I know, the Boss Audio, that Boss Audio I have in here. My bad, the fifth thing I will say is the door handles. No other car has these door handles but the Challenger. Really, as far as I know. The door handles is what I really like about it. Instead of the universal, to where you go boom. Nah, you can only go like this and unlocks the doors. Boom. I really like that. It kind of like, it's like hidden in a way you wouldn't even expect this on the car. Any newer cars like that. I really like the door handles on this car. No other car manufacturer really makes these but Dodge, man. On the Charger, at least, Charger and Challenger, the only car really that I know that have these door handles, man. I really like that. The door handle with the key fob. And then I'm gonna give y'all an extra one. The sixth thing is the wheelbase. Really, most cars, most sedans have like a 20-inch wheelbase. This car can go up to like a 22, 24 wheelbase. So you have a lot of room. So you have a lot of room right there, especially with that bolt. Most people cut that bolt off and put 22, 24s on there. But man, the wheelbase on this car, you can pretty much make this car really stylish. The last thing is the color black on this car, man. I tell you that you look like a detective coming down the road, bro. People kind of fear you in a way. People slow down when you come by. This is straight black on black, man. You can turn this thing black on black. People think that you a cop, man. Straight up, people think that you a cop. So this is like this is one of them cars, man. They'll definitely catch your attention, man. I don't like attention like that, but I do like this body style, man. I do like the Charger in general, man. I always wanted one since I was a little kid. Finally got one. So, as y'all know, man, I'm finna upgrade to a V8 here pretty soon in about 2-3 months or so. Like I said, I'm just waiting on my credit score to get up. I'm trying to build that up just a little bit higher. I'm trying to get it like at 720, such and such. But definitely get rid of this thing, man. I got too many miles on it, so I gotta get rid of it, man. I am in negative equity, but I gotta get rid of it. So, man, I can't wait to get the V8, man. I cannot wait to get that V8, man. I got a lot of videos coming for y'all, man. A lot of videos coming for that V8, man. First thing I do when I get off the lot with that V8 is go get the exhaust change, man. Finna get that exhaust change. You already know what it is. Mighty Profit. Finna get that exhaust change, man. But that's pretty much the end of the video, man. Let me know what y'all think about the video, man. That's the 6 things I like about this car. I really love about the car, at least. Very stylish car overall. Very reliable car overall, as far as I know. Any car that I had, this car is most reliable that I ever had. Not too many issues with the car, man. But man, make sure y'all like subscribe to the channel, man. It's your brother Mighty Profit, 144K. And I'm out, man. Peace, man.
The spiritual levels, no dancing with devils, no fellow with rebels. Some digging with shovels, they digging real deep. Some humble, they hearken, they listen, they meet. Some praise the Most High 7 days of the week. Some put in that work and go teach in the streets. Some just come to take up the air that we breathe.